Welcome to Mimi Daily English. We invite you to come and learn with us.
Welcome to our amazing island trip. This will be the best vacation ever. I'm so excited!
The ocean is beautiful. Wow! You look like a captain. You look like a captain.
We're almost there.
Fast speech and laughter. I want to explore everything. I can see the island. Đến nơi rồi.
This place is amazing.
Let's explore.
Let's explore!
Look, someone's surfing.
Wow! He's amazing! That was awesome!
Not bad.
You are incredible. You are incredible.
That 15. It's me.
How did you do that? I'm Max.
I'm Leo. So, you're Leo.
Want me to teach you surfing?
Huh?
I don't need help. Let's explore the beach first.
Come on, let's see what we can find.
Maybe we'll find something cool.
Whoa! Look at this!
I can hear the ocean. This island is beautiful. Leo, you're really cool.
Keep your balance.
Nice try. Why is Max spending so much time with him? Want to try surfing? No! I said I don't need your help.
I'm just trying to help. Something's wrong.
Everyone! Get back! I'm fine!
Ryan!
Oh no!
I'm going after him! Ah!
Grab the board! I got it!
Ryan!
Why did you save me? Because you needed help. What matters is that you're safe. Thank you, Leo, and I'm sorry. You're safe. You really scared us.
I'd like that.
Tirik Marsal?
Come to my place tonight. Let's have BBQ.
Careful with the fire.
Mine is perfectly toasted.
Mine's a little burnt, but I like it that way.
Careful, don't drop it in the fire.
This was the best day ever. BBQ dance time. Thanks, Leo.